Hammerman Fight, guys, check it out. Max Lash cutting up. Let's get up out of here. Hold on. Oh shit, we taking the damn controller with us, guys. Somebody gonna need some repairs after this. Oh yeah, everybody. Not Albert. Albert's smart now. Albert learned. Albert said, fuck this. Hey, check it out. You know what I want to do? I'm about to come around this motherfucker, full speed, and I'm about to try to hook slide that. I want to get the whole turn. Wait. Yeah. Okay, you want to come which way? Going that way now. Okay, come on. Woo! You see it? Pulling up like Dukes. Look like Dukes of Hazzard out that bitch.
Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Woo! That was a good one, guys. Woo! Oh shit! A fucking crash. Got progressive. That's where Allstate stand. Hold on, what did he say? Hold on, what did he say, guys? That's where Allstate stand. Cut that joint.